Today we are going to be doing some last minute work on the Supra. We're going to be removing the wiring harness out of the engine bay, which is basically the last thing from the engine bay that needs to be removed. We are going to be removing both of the fenders and the rear bumper. And I think that's everything that is needed to be removed. We do plan to drop the Supra off, not this weekend, the next coming weekend, to paint and hopefully decide on a color by then and go from there.
Also today, guys, we're finally working on the S15. You guys have been waiting for it for a long time, and I know I'm really bad at finally working on it. However, we got new goodies for it. We also got new goodies for the Supra that we'll show you guys. Also, the R32 GTR finally gets its head back on. We got it back from the machine shop. We got the head studs, everything else, so we're getting ready to throw that back on, tighten everything up, and then get the valve covers on. So, you ready to get started?
Let's do this.
Love you.
Love you. Surprise! Alright guys, the best way to remove the wiring harness, as you can see, we basically have everything out, and then we have all this. I've removed the right fender, and I don't know if you can see this, but there is a little hole on the passenger side, and you're going to go underneath the dash and you're going to unconnect it from there, and then you just pull it out. So let's get started.
Alright guys, this is the new turbo for not only the Supra but the S15. Both Brianna and I are actually doing very similar builds with our 2Js, so we both got BorgWarner S362 SXEs with the .88 AR. The reason we went so small in the AR is because these turbos can make 600 plus, and we really want a fast spooling street car kind of build on both of our cars. So we both got the exact same setup, both got the exact same manifold. We have to get the oil drain line and oil feed lines for Brianna's car because I already had them for the S15. But besides that, other little goodies we got, I finally bit the bullet and got myself electric torque wrench. You guys probably don't care, but I'm really happy about that. We got all the gaskets, everything else. So once the Supra's back from paint, we can get that going and start putting the motor back in the car and start doing all the fun stuff. S15, she's good to go, getting ready for fabrication. R32, we're about ready to start working on her, so let's jump on over and get that head installed. Alright guys, I know I didn't show any of it, however, we got the new turbo on. Turbo, exhaust manifold, the oil drain line is now on with the dash 10, and the oil feed line is connected to the block. However, I just got to get a 90-degree fitting so that I'll sit here and properly fit. As anything else, we did get, I've been waiting on this banjo bolt back here, the clutch master cylinder, for a really long time. I just need the right size. Was able to get a hold of chase bays since this is their brake booster eliminator setup. So I was able to get the banjo bolt I needed. So now the clutch line all the way to the transmission is good to go. Right now, that was a big step forward. Next step really is going to be getting the intake side done, as well as the fuel lines, and then it should be going off fabrication hopefully pretty soon. Finally, we're getting some work done on this thing, and stay tuned for the rest of it. Hey guys, easy way to do washers on top of head studs. Use some kind of long screwdriver, throw the washer on, all the way up, hold it, put the screwdriver on top of the head stud, and drop the washer. Move around a little bit. Too easy. Alright guys, well there's that. So today we grabbed the harness and got the Supra more ready for paint. It's pretty much ready to go. We just got to load on the trailer, bring it down to Tampa, get her painted. The S15 turbo kit is now installed. Just got to start doing fabrication. And after that, really just a little bit of odds and ends, including the wiring harness and ECU. And hopefully she'll be good to go here in a little bit. R32 now finally has its head on with the valve covers on. All we got to do left is time it. So we got to take the valve covers back off, get it timed. We just want to get the valve covers on it so it's covered and protected. So we're going to be able to time that. And then we're going to get an exhaust manifold. He already has a turbo, actually the same turbo as the Supra and the S15, however, with a little bit higher, a little bit bigger of a AR hot side. Now after that, that's pretty much about it. So that's pretty much about it, guys. We're at a good stopping point for the day. I'm gonna go inside. I'm starving, but thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit subscribe. Please hit the notification button. We're trying to get out videos. However, you know, life gets in the way. But we appreciate the support and we thank you. Thanks, guys.